It's medicinal for livestock, even for people.
Today we are going very far from our village and we want to see how it is. So please go with us. We are getting in a truck. Let's go, girls. I never thought that there's a place like this one. We are having funny, guys. We are in a big truck.
Let's try having fun in a big truck.
With my girls at the back of the car. We're getting in the water. This is a river. Children are very happy. We are here showing you the nature, beautiful nature, and we are accompanied by one of our best. We call him our daddy, our brother, our family. Guys, you are going to watch him. He has a lot, and he also has his own channel. Please, we should always support one another. Today we are having fun. Look at mine.
Yes!
No? Look at it. Better fast compared to yours. Throw it.
Let me start.
Yes. Go. Ah, you are out. We want to see the water. Yeah, that's small. Yeah, can you look at it? And this is what we call clay soil. We can sometimes mold it. Other people who doesn't know what is clay soil, it works like Play-Doh. But this one is natural. God's creation. You can make pots from this one. We normally use it when we were doing standard 1, standard 2 at school. You can mold whatever you want with this one. Normally when you are at school, they will ask you to bring this. You can only find it in a place like this one. It's nice. You can make different things, but me, myself, I'm not a good potter. I'm trying to make it a pot. Look at it. Wow. Only you can find from here. Look at them. What is this, Angie?
A pot.
No, what am I holding?
Clay soil.
Yes, Nasha, this is the one that you can use at school. So today we are having fun. This water, people are using it for plowing. It's a really clean water, very clean. It never gets dry. It never gets dry. Right now it's not rain season, but there's still water. Around where there's water, you can find again this type of tree. Interesting here. Very interesting. Because normally when I climb the mountain, I always found this tree. But today I'm next to the river, I can find this tree. What is this tree called?
This tree is a cactus plant. It normally grows next to the mountains or in dry areas, like in the desert area. You can see It's a succulent. It have thorns. It used to be all over this place, but nowadays there are just a few of them around.
Okay.
So we are very fortunate to have found these ones here.
Does it have its proper use?
Well, it's used for, it's medicinal for livestock, even for people. They cut it, put it in water and give it as like an antibiotic to some livestock.
Wow, this is very, very interesting. You see, God is creation. He has given us antibiotics in the bush, which is very good, interesting. So here, we don't have a problem of livestock.
Look at my pot. Me, I don't have a pot.
You made your hands dirty, girls.
And again, why
This is the
like
head
this
for
place?
someone.
Most of the place we just have these stone trees. Why? Because normally where I come from, it's very rare to find this. Sometimes you walk a bit the distance to find it if you wanted to use it. But here,
These trees, there are places where you will find this thorny tree. And normally they will be clustered together, like you can see the bushes, almost all of them. They like to stay in clusters like this, with very few different other trees around. So I don't know whether they are somehow disturbing other trees from growing so that you only find them there. I don't understand, but normally you find them alone.
yeah, they like to be its own family. Today I brought a professional who can explain better what are these grass. Because sometimes you just see them, you step on them, you go, you don't know whether it's so useful. So can you listen? Can you explain to us exactly how do we use this and what are they called?
Yeah, this is a reed. It's a special type of grass that you only find around water bodies. So normally when you find this type of a reed, you know there is water. We use it to make traditional baskets, traditional mats, or even to make some decorations around our homes.
Careful, guys. Oh, it's a bit far from me. Normally, as we call it, go with me.
Mama.
Let's go. Why people they call it go with me? Because once it hook on your clothes, you go together with it. Nice flowers. God is creation, nature.
Wait, Mama, light there. Light there.
I told you she was not taking. because it's close to the village. Dam. This is a dam, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, I normally heard people talking about this dam, but I've never been here. There's a duck inside. Can you see this ducks? Yes, the ducks. The black duck. There. Over there. 2 of them.
Get stuck in the
You throw the yeah, look my legs. Look my legs.
Let me just push you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for supporting us.
Amazing day today.